If you're considering using Talking Avatar AI, stop scrolling. These 7 crucial things will save you time, money, and frustration. This is one of the best just released AI tools of 2025, and I've tested hundreds of them. But this one does something different. By the way, you can try Talking Avatar AI completely free from the first link below. No credit card needed. Stick with me, because there's one specific feature near the end that most people completely miss, and it's a game changer for content creators and marketers. First, what exactly is Talking Avatar AI? It's a web-based platform that lets you create realistic talking avatars just from text. Think AI-generated humans that move their lips, blink, and express emotion, all synced perfectly to your script. No need for cameras, microphones, or actors. And yes, it supports dozens of languages and accents. So whether you're doing client work, explainer videos, sales pages, or YouTube content, it adapts globally. One of the biggest standout features? The speed. It takes about 30 seconds to render a full video once your text is in. For comparison, similar tools can take several minutes per render. When you're on deadlines, that matters. Also, the lip sync is shockingly accurate. I've seen so many AI avatar tools mess this up. Either the mouth doesn't match or the avatar moves unnaturally. Talking Avatar AI nails the realism. The eyes move subtly, the head gestures, small details that make a big impact. You also get the option to choose from dozens of avatars, male, female, professional, casual, plus the ability to upload your own voice or clone it. For personal branding, that's a huge plus. Another important thing to know, it integrates well with tools like ChatGPT, Google Docs, and even Canva. You can copy your script in, drop in a branded background, and you've got a finished, usable video in minutes. Now let's talk pricing. While it is a premium tool, they've launched with a free trial, so you can test it without risk. But the catch? Some features, like HD export or custom avatar uploads, are locked behind higher tiers. If you're planning on scaling with this tool, expect to upgrade. One heads up, the avatars are great, but not ideal for every use case. If you're in entertainment or trying to go ultra viral, they might look a little too corporate. But for explainer videos, internal training, or lead gen funnels, they're near perfect. Now here's that final feature I promised, the script enhancer. You can paste your raw text and it'll automatically rewrite it for tone, length, and clarity before generating the video. That's a lifesaver if you're not a natural scriptwriter. Bottom line, Talking Avatar AI is one of the most powerful new AI software tools for 2025, especially if you create content at scale. It's fast, flexible, and freakishly realistic. And remember, you can try it completely free using the first link in the description. If you're serious about AI video creation, this is absolutely worth a test drive. Lastly, I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've linked my top recommended free ones in the description. Go check them out. You might find your next favorite software today.